Welcome to a budget-friendly Easter DIY. Hey, DIY lovers, welcome back to your channel name, where we turn everyday items into stunning home decor. Today, I have a super fun and budget-friendly project for you. We're transforming a simple dollar store sign into the most adorable Easter wreath. What you'll learn today: how to repurpose a dollar store sign into a charming Easter wreath, creative ways to use budget-friendly supplies for seasonal decor, step-by-step instructions for assembling, decorating, and finishing your wreath. By the end of this video, you'll have a beautiful handmade Easter wreath that looks like it came straight from a boutique store, but for a fraction of the price. So grab your crafting supplies and let's hop right into this fun DIY project. To make this adorable Easter wreath, you'll need dollar store supplies: a dollar store wooden or plastic sign. Look for one with a sturdy backing. A wire or foam wreath. Frame: artificial spring flowers, tulips, daisies, or lavender. A bunny cutout optional. A wooden bunny or felt bunny shape. Easter eggs, plastic or foam. Pastel ribbons for bows and hanging loops. Decorative mesh, burlap, or tulle crafting tools. Hot glue. Gun and glue sticks, scissors, wire cutters for trimming floral stems. Acrylic paint and brushes if you want to add custom colors, Mod Podge or craft glue tip. You can customize this wreath with any colors or decorations that match your personal style. If your sign has words or a glossy finish, sand it lightly to create a rough surface for better adhesion. Paint the sign in pastel colors, light pink, baby blue, soft yellow, to create a fresh Easter vibe. If you want to personalize it, add a cute Easter phrase like Happy Easter, Hoppy Spring, or Welcome Peeps, using a stencil or hand lettering with a paint pen. Tip: let the paint dry completely before adding any decorations to avoid smudging. Attaching the sign to the wreath. Position the sign in the center or slightly to one side for a stylish look. Use hot glue or floral wire to secure it to the wreath frame. If using a foam frame, wrap burlap or ribbon around it first for a polished look. Adding Easter eggs and bunny decorations, hot glue pastel colored eggs around the wreath for a festive touch. If you have a bunny cutout, attach it near the bottom or side for a focal point. Use moss or faux grass to fill in empty spaces and give it a natural feel. Tip: mix large and small eggs for a more dynamic design. Attaching flowers for a spring touch. Trim artificial flowers using wire cutters. Arrange them around the wreath in clusters or evenly spaced. Secure with hot glue or floral wire for a strong hold. Creating a gorgeous bow. Choose a pastel or gingham ribbon. Make a large, fluffy bow and attach it at the top or bottom. Use a second ribbon to create a hanging loop. Tip: layer different ribbon textures for a more elegant look. Check for any loose pieces and reinforce with hot glue if needed. Add extra embellishments like faux butterflies, tiny carrots, or pearls. Attach a command hook or over-the-door hanger for easy hanging. Tip: if you want a rustic look, lightly brush some white paint over the flowers and edges for a distressed effect. And there you have it. DIY lovers, your very own adorable Easter wreath made from a dollar store sign. Who knew something so budget-friendly could turn into such a charming home decor piece? Final reminders: have fun experimenting with different colors and themes. Tag me on social media if you recreate this. I'd love to see your designs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more creative DIY projects. Question of the day: what other Easter crafts would you like to see? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, stay crafty and keep DIYing.